Imagine waking up at 30 with no financial worries, doing what you love, or even retiring early. Sounds like a dream, right? Today, I'll show you the 5 proven steps to achieving financial freedom by 30. Steps that anyone can follow, starting today. Stick with me till the end to unlock the secret mindset that accelerates your journey. Step 1 is to set crystal clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what does financial freedom mean to you? Is it having $1 million in investments, paying off all debts, or earning enough from passive income streams to cover your lifestyle? Break your dream into realistic monthly and yearly targets. Clarity in goals is the first step to building wealth. Step 2 is the golden rule: invest early. Starting at 20 instead of 30 can be the difference between financial stress and financial independence. For example, saving $500 a month with an 8% return could grow to over $1 million by 40. Focus on low-risk investments like index funds or ETFs, and let compound interest work its magic over time. Debt is the silent killer of financial dreams. Step 3 is to eliminate bad debt. Credit cards, high-interest loans, using the snowball or avalanche method. Pay off smaller debts first to gain momentum, or tackle high-interest ones for maximum savings. Avoid accumulating new debt by spending wisely and prioritizing needs over wants. Never rely on a single paycheck. Step 4 is to build multiple streams of income. Freelance, start a small business, invest in rental properties, or explore affiliate marketing. Even a few hundred extra dollars a month can accelerate your financial journey. Diversifying income is not just smart, it's essential. Step 5 is to adopt the right mindset. Financial freedom isn't about earning millions, but controlling your spending. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation, and reinvest your savings. Remember, discipline today creates freedom tomorrow. Let's recap. Set clear goals, start investing early, eliminate debt, build multiple income streams, and adopt a financial freedom mindset. These 5 steps have worked for thousands, and they can work for you too. So, what's your financial goal? Share it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more actionable tips on financial freedom. See you in the next video.